Yeah, I was flying the drone earlier, so make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, or tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone, they do. Okay, that's it. That's what I'm looking for. Look out now. Look out.
How many times do they go around?
Once or twice.
Man, he got high up there.
Out here. Oh, that's what that is?
You go find your girl out here, you got your mud cricket.
Look at this, man, look at this, Gary. Look at the shit he's got going on there, bro. He's over there where Joe is right
you're
now.
Way over there.
It'll go 3 miles, dude. Then he can push a button and it'll come right back here and hover on his ass.
That is freaking incredible.
That is badass, dude. This is gonna be our video right here, bro. Look out, man. We over here about to have these steaks. It's got sound too? Yeah, it got sound too. What's up with it, man? What's going on? What? God, look at them things there. God, hey, look out, what y'all doing in there? Whoa, God damn. Y'all having a good time too, right? Absolutely. Already, look out. Absolutely. If you got this wristband, you get to get on this side for the free. So everything going good. Let me see how far these pads get to take me. How you get to go up there? What you gotta have to go?
This guy here.
Oh, you the guy?
Yeah, that's for sponsors.
Oh, that's for sponsors?
Yeah.
Damn. What I gotta do to be a sponsor next time? How much?
Call before the event. It's usually like 35 or 4 grand.
Oh shit, that's out of my price range.
That's out of my price rate too. That's why I'm working this gig. Go check it out. Come on back down.
Let me check it out and come back. Let me see. Checking it out. Uh oh, he already slapped. It hurt. Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, I'm on the top level. Damn. I ain't feel that much over there today. I done got my first little cup. She bringing me some Jello shots too. Damn, me. Alright. There go my bees. I got one bee. Hey, look out. Woo! Hey, she got some. Which one you gonna touch, man? Hey, grab that shit up. Dude, that shit's
Rip it, man. Go right here. Grab it and rip it out. Real quick.
Grab it and rip it out real quick, man.
Be quick. Just rip it.
We gotta rip it out. Come on now, rip it out. What kind of choice is this, y'all?
Like you've done it before.
Hey.
Get that motherfucker. Hey, everybody go shout out, everybody go follow Lookout Racing.
Yeah.
They're the illest over here, bro. They're pretty lit. Fucking, they got it going right now. Let's fucking go.
Let's fucking go right now. What you got? Oh yeah, that's it there. Oh yeah.
Hey,
Look out.
Hey, look out Racing.
Yeah,
baby.
yeah.
Lookout Racing.
Already, man.
Subscribe.
I appreciate that, man.